Dr. Darien is with us now, taking a look at all of your questions that you've been asking. And here is one. How can I manage bunion pain without having surgery? That's from Carol L.
Bunion pain, it's a really common question, can be really painful. Often it's a protrusion or a protuberance at the bottom of the first toe. And this can be due to a couple of different reasons. Number one, hereditary reasons. If your parents have it, you're more likely to have it. Also, the types of shoes that you're wearing. Unfortunately, high heels increase the risk of something like that. So treating it, it can just be basic things like ice and making sure you're taking pain relief, but also preventing it from getting worse. Unfortunately, if you wear high heels, you want to take those off and wear shoes with wide toe bases. They often are not as pretty as other sneakers, but I will say that they're likely more comfortable. Also, one tip is getting arch support. A lack of your arch also increases the risk of a bunion formation. So those things might be able to help.
You saw me looking down at
I was trying not to look down at either.
Yeah.
I was like, she's good. She's
Here's
good.
the thing, though. I don't actually go anywhere in these. I just sit here. Your prescription for wellness.
It's using something called a neti pot. Everyone kind of knows that name. We call it in the hospital nasal irrigation. So during this time of the year, more and more people are sneezing and sniffling and having stuffy noses, mainly because the allergies are just at an all-time high. So this is something that you can do at home that doesn't involve medication. It's just nasal irrigation. The simple way that you can do it is that you can buy these products online. You can buy them in a store. The first thing you want to do, first and foremost, is wash your hands because you're going to be touching your face, and then you want to use distilled or sterile water. You do not want to use tap water because of the rare but potentially dangerous risk of an infection. So then you want to take that neti pot and you want to lean over the sink and turn your head completely sideways as if you're trying to listen to the sound of the sink. And the nostril that's closest to the ceiling, you want to irrigate or pour water into that nostril, and you can, while you're doing it, you can hum or talk, and this can help to prevent it from going in the wrong place. And then the water is going to come out of the other nostril. And then after you're done with that, you can blow your nose and you can repeat on the other side. I think it's a really effective way to get rid of some of those allergens, that pollen, and even some debris in your nose.
And we're going to try it after the show, right?
Yeah,
I cannot wait.
I definitely need some help.
I cannot. If people hear DeMarco screaming backstage, it's just me trying to help him with this neti pot.
It does help, DeMarco.
I'm going to try it. I hope it does.
I think it's going to be really effective.
All right, Doc, thank you very much. And folks, we would love to hear from you. So hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions for our medical unit here at ABC GMA3.